of what he's doing is because they hold him for brokos.
There is already a serious problem inside the City Boy movement, guys. Obi Cubana has been alleged that he is being blackmailed by the City Boys for him to campaign for APC and Blackmailed Tinubu. This information is coming from his friend Mr. Chidi Mike, who revealed this during a live session. He said that he knows Obi Cubana very well, that it seems that he is being blackmailed, that if he doesn't support the City Boy movement, he might be going to jail. Then I asked myself, what illegal things has he been doing for him to be so scared, for him to be this manipulated to join a movement he actually does not believe in? As per Cubana chief priest, we know who that one is. That one na everywhere belle face is very obvious, but Obi Cubana is a different case entirely. During the live session, this his friend had a lot to say. Listen what he had to say.
So what he's doing is because they hold him for brokos. And I don't talk this thing before. I said, you can decide to be non-political and say, I don't want to support no political party. Leave me alone from this nonsense. I just want to be Obi Cubana and don't talk to nobody. I don't want to care about these things. I focus on my people because my people made me. And for the fact that my people made me, I want to remain with my people. When I now found out that Obi Cubana does not even have that choice, was when I start forgiving him. Because the information that I have, if you have that information, you will also forgive him. And the information that I have, if you have that information, listen, you see how you feel about him is how I feel about him. But when I got the right information, I start forgiving him. Apart from that inside information where I find, I for no forgive him. Me and you for the same position. But when I found out Obi Cubana,
okay, let me just agree on this thing. Let me just believe in 30%. Now that in on a tight corner, let's assume that na coordinator on a tight corner, or never they need the impetus. Okay, do we all know where say then the lack of knowledge.
Okay, the
thing the melody is that people lack knowledge. What tight corner? He decided to be on that tight corner. He decided to be on that tight corner. And what if you look at him now from now till December next year? Come for TV.
Iglet, you will forgive him.
No. I want to go there for there.
He get bad about Obi Cubana. After this life, I will call you on the phone one-on-one, and I will tell you 2 things that will make you forgive him.
Not forgive. And what are not forgiving at this movement? Because Nigeria are not after call Mugolomi Nana. You know the see. After call Begolomi.
That is the difference between him and the others because he's living the movement.
No, okay, see. If this time, everyone may allow the West and people lack knowledge. Okay, movement. This movement. Up one of this movement, ever call you
Nigerians, listen. If you know,
you cannot leave this.
You know the problem. You know the problem. You know the problem Nigerians
cannot leave.
The problem Nigerians have is that Nigerians don't know the power they possess. Nigerian people does not know that they are powerful. Nigerian people does not know that their word matters. Nigerian people don't know say they can turn a big man to an ant. Nigerian people don't know say they do get power. Nigerian people don't know say they very powerful. You people have given a lot of people sleepless night. Nigerian people can change this whole thing. Baba, I dey tell you as a brother and as a friend. If this person decide to join us tomorrow, let's welcome him and forgive him.
My forgiveness I don't know after election. My forgiveness, a man must be low key. If I go to see him in all You cannot be low key again and be doing this thing.
No,
low key. No, you don't come out. You say you don't come out. You go complete them. You don't come out. You say you don't come out.
If the person say he know they do again, that he wants to
you go do
to us,
no, you go do
give
us. Who is us?
Us is all of us. Yeah.
No, you go complete them. You go complete them to the end.
Us is every meaningful Nigeria that is supporting today.
You go complete them to the end, Baba.
England, all of us here, all of us waiting for this life.
Baba, he has gone far to come back. He has gone back.
He never go anywhere. We need him back.
No, we need him. No. You go do and finish. You go do and finish. I beg, if you are on the top of food, tell us to make him the day front. I know they like that back way in the day. If they day for stage, he go back, go stay. What do you mean?
Obi Cubana is a the difference between Obi Cubana and Emenike is two things.
Bam. Don't judge that guy with Emenike.
I will tell you why. I won't tell you why. I want to Emenike the difference between Obi Cubana and Emenike, listen. Emenike could not be compromised. Emenike could not be compromised.
So now say I compare then you know.
You don't know what I'm saying. Emenike could not be compromised. Allegedly, he was compromised. That's all.
It is gonna allegedly. That's all you are there, Solomon.
All compromisation. That's all.
It is gonna allegedly.
Because only when American compromise higher. Only can you was to carry a bit better.
No, but I'm not getting it.
I compromise to something.
I compromise with you.
Tiglet or Tinubu. I will tell the Munyan mother before. Let's start from that. Because I'm a Munyan mother. 3 or 4.
I thought the Munyan mother. I thought the Munyan mother. It's like a
Can I go William mother before can I be William mother?
Or you're moving at you?
Comment session.
This is another billionaire.
A Mandel law.
Only this thing go where by on the Bible. Why am I mother?
Oh, my, let's get around. Came by this year.
This year, I don't know about that this year. What the father for about? You don't try to know.
No, I didn't life about him. I didn't life about him, man.
You don't try to know that.
Then I laugh. I'm about to plug it. I can feel that now. This is where they put it.
You don't try to know that.
Well, continue your life, okay? Can I pull it? You know, I can pull a phone.
Okay, it's talking about what?
Like a board, you can share with the box. I'm going to
okay, good. Good.